Now, the states of West Bengal and Odisha are on alert as a very severe cyclone Yas is set to strike. As per the latest update from the Indian Met Department, Yas has intensified into a severe cyclonic storm, and it's very likely to intensify further as it moves north towards the Odisha-West Bengal coast. It will perhaps intensify, according to the Met Department, into a very severe cyclonic storm. NDRF is on alert. 32 teams of the NDRF has been deployed to the coastal districts of West Bengal. 3 teams are also on standby. Besides that, 44 NDRF teams have been deployed in the coastal districts of Odisha. This cyclone is likely to cause extremely heavy rainfall in East and West Midnapore districts, as well as in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. It's expected to bring in winds of 155 to 165 kilometers per hour, even going up in some circumstances to 180 kilometers per hour. And let me just show you what really is the trajectory of this system that's now formed in the east coast. This here that you see is in fact the Cyclone Yas, the cyclonic storm. Let me zoom in further to show you exactly what the impact is going to be for us in India. Now you see it moving further upwards, and this color scheme that you see really shows you how intense the storm is. The entire coastal areas here, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, all the coastal areas will see a lot of heavy rainfall, wind speeds also picking up. But you see here that it is going to be the coastal parts of West Bengal and Odisha that's going to face the brunt of the cyclonic storm. Right now it is close to the coast. According to the Met Department, this is going to be moving further inland by about tomorrow. So let me just show you what exactly the timeline looks like. When can you expect the maximum brunt of the cyclone to be felt? So if I move this further, and let's keep this at about 1 p.m. today in the afternoon, you can see that the cyclone is close to the coast, which means that by today afternoon itself you're going to be seeing an impact. Tomorrow is when in fact this cyclone will be making landfall. So tomorrow early in the morning, according to the Met Department, you will be seeing this going further in. This is as of tomorrow morning 9 a.m. You will see that it's moving further inwards as well. Once it completely goes in, once you see this particular part, the eye of the storm really inland, that's when the cyclonic storm will weaken. But as of now, as it is progressing upward, according to the Met Department, what you're going to be seeing is that this cyclonic storm is only going to intensify further. And that's why you're seeing preparations on a war footing along these coastal areas of West Bengal and Odisha. Here are some ground reports by our reporters from some of these coastal districts.
We are on a bus with the NDRF and we are heading towards the coastal areas. Constant announcements being made to the villagers to stay inside. Remember, Odisha has time and again faced the cyclones and storms from severe to extremely critical ones. So there is a preparation. But this time, because this is the year of the pandemic, remember, all these people here not only are practicing social distancing, so they have a specialized mask. Let's just try and get you a word. ये बताइए, इस साल कोरोना वायरस भी है, इस साल बड़ा चैलेंज है. हमने देखा था ताकते हैं, उसके बाद आप लोग सीधा जुट गए हैं इस साइक्लोन के लिए. तो आप ये बताइए किस तर्ज पे तैयारी है आप लोगों की?
नमस्कार मैम, हम एनडीआरएफ से हैं. तो जैसे कि अभी कोरोना इस महामारी से हर एक आदमी हिंदुस्तान का जूझ रहा है, इसी हिसाब से हम भी अपने से पूरी तैयारी से हैं.
So the landfall is expected to be on 26 and it's going to be somewhere early in the morning between Balasore and Paradip.
Sea conditions are getting rough at Digha in East Midnapore, and these are the conditions over here in East Midnapore. Digha is known to have a calm sea beach, but these conditions are not calm and cool, and it is getting rough. And according to the prediction by Met Department, during landfall on 26th of May, sea conditions will be extremely rough. That is why fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea. And we are at present at Digha, which is not far from Balasore. Balasore is the place where the Cyclone Yas is expected to make landfall. And there are 2 special warnings. One special warning is for heavy rainfall. And rainfall has already been started. It will increase and it will become very heavy rainfall on 26th of May. Administration is very much prepared for these conditions. they have already seen in Bengal and also in Odisha that every year cyclones are coming. So this time administration is prepared well in advance. NDRF team have been deployed. Civil defense people are patrolling near the sea coast. In Calcutta, what we know that Mamata Banerjee is going to stay inside State Secretariat for 2 days. So administration is hoping that this cyclone Yas will become not as severe as cyclone Amphan. With camera person Tapash Bairi, this is Anupam Mishra for India Today.
Another story that we're tracking closely.